Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the last session we have seen how to send an email to a Gmail user from UiPath Studio. In this session I am going to show you how to send attachments with email from UiPath Studio. So I am using the same activity what we have used in the last session, that is nothing but send SMTP mail message activity. So I have used the same configuration what I have used in the previous session. So this time I am going to remove CC session from receiver session, and here for attaching the documents or new type of file. So here we can see attach files. Click on it and showing some argument fields like direction, type and value. Just double click on the create argument. So we create one argument. So like in string and value. So here in the value we need to mention the location of our system where our document is located. So for now I am going to use stop documents. So here in my stop I have the documents like this. So I am going to send some documents. So let's take this JavaScript. I'm going to copy the folder location, properties. So this is of type text. Okay. Here we need to mention the along with the file name. My file name is javascript.txt. So just click on OK, and in my email I'm going to just delete first mail, just nothing but invite. So let's run this now and we will check whether the document is attached or not from our UiPath Studio. Execution is started. Execution is completed. So let's check our email. So here we got the email with the subject as invite and along with the attachment javascript.txt. So just open it and check the data as well. So here we have the JavaScript details in the document, and along with the body we got. And if you observe, so as we remove the CC session, so that CC email is not displaying here in this component. The remaining configuration as sender name and the sender email all displaying in event. And along with that, if you want to send more documents, so how we can achieve it is click on the attach files and create one more argument. So how many number of documents you want, you need to create many number of arguments, and you need to mention the folder location. So here I am going to use the same desktop location. Here I am going to send. So here I have one more document, so I will try with the PDF documents. That is something like API samples.pdf. In the same way, here we'll try to send this Digimog Excel file. Now we are going to send the 3 documents from UiPath Studio to the inbox of my email account. So I am going to remove this email from my inbox. Check this now. I'm going to execute this file. So execution is completed. So let's check the email account. So here we can see there are 3 attachments to the email. So nothing but the TXT file, PDF, which is nothing but the PDF file, and .xlsx, which is the Excel file. So like this we can attach any type of documents as per the Gmail guidelines. Provide the attachment in the UiPath Studio. So like this we can send the document. So that's all for now. Hope you like this video so much. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And that's all. Thank you.